Welcome to Drama Life with Kale, the idiot.
No water? Oh no!
He's dead now.
You broke up with me?
Who broke up with you? What was her name? What was her name? What was her name? What was her name? Spit it out.
I need my animals. No, I know.
What was her name? What was her name?
I'm gonna scale Kale. He's gonna be so scared. Let's go. Oh, he's coming now.
Hey, Kale.
Haha, you is. Ha ha ha. Bye, cruel world.
Sweetheart, your favorite show's on!